Carbofix Review. How to turn on your metabolism in 3 seconds to burn stubborn fat like crazy. Increases fat burning. Decreases hunger. Helps with blood sugar control. Do you know why you should sip a cup of licorice root tea at 1 p.m.? Or why some of the world's most famous celebrities sniff rosemary before bed? Or why you should have 2 cups of hot black tea after a long walk? If not, don't worry. So no matter what you eat, you can never lose weight. And if you've tried everything, keto, paleo, low carb, low fat, more vegetables, you name it, if nothing has worked, then there's something going on behind the scenes that's forcing your body to desperately hang on to fat, no matter what you try. So please, stick with me for the next 2 minutes, because I'm going to share with you the shocking truth of what's really going on inside your body after you turn 50, along with the sneaky way your body refuses to give up your stored fat, and what you can do in less than 3 seconds to start burning it off. Plus, I'm going to show you all the research, all the scientific studies, and the words straight from a doctor's mouth, so you'll have everything you need to turn up your metabolism whenever you want. I didn't know any of these secrets either, until I spent the summer in Ecuador, visiting my wife's 99-year-old grandma, who doesn't look a day over 50, in a small village called Goran. I didn't know what their secret was, but everyone was thin, and looked so much younger than their age. Little did I know that in just a matter of hours, I'd stumble upon a breakthrough that could help end the obesity epidemic in America, thanks to a new discovery from a team of scientists at the Salk Institute in San Diego, that can turn up your metabolism on command, just like turning up the heat in your home, or the volume on your TV. Now you can do the same thing with your metabolism, thanks to a little-known enzyme buried deep in your cells, that stops the production of new fat, and forces your body to burn up the fat you already have. Anyone can do this in less than 3 seconds a day. Whether you're 50 years old, or 85, whether you're physically active, or sit on the couch all day, just like turning on a switch. And the secret starts with a new protein enzyme that targets abdominal fat, according to Dr. Barry Sears. Activating AMPK is the secret to a longer and better life. 23. The problem is, like air conditioning in the middle of winter, most of us have it turned off. So if you have 15 or more pounds to lose, if you have more fat around your stomach than you want, if you have cellulite, flabby arms, a belly pooch, then it's a clear sign your AMPK pathway isn't working right. The good news is, all you have to do is figure out how to flick this little switch, and everything else will fall into place. You'll be at the exact weight you want to be at. You'll fit into the perfect size jeans. All your clothes will fit just the way you want them to. You'll have more than enough energy to do everything you've always wanted to do. Your libido will be back, and you'll no longer think that everyone is staring at you the moment you walk into a room. Even better, you never have to go on a restrictive calorie-counting diet ever again. You never have to do another second of cardio. And you don't have to force yourself to eat more vegetables, because none of those things activate AMPK. Hopefully you can feel the weight being lifted off your shoulders, because you don't have to stress about those things anymore. All you have to do is focus on this one thing: turning on the metabolism switch inside your body. That's it. Nothing else matters. You can let yourself off the hook, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in as little as 3 seconds. You can do it in the morning, or before you go to bed. You can do it after a big carby breakfast of pancakes and waffles, or after your bedtime bowl of ice cream. It works every time. And like anything, the more often you do it, the better your results will be. But first I have to tell you something that most doctors don't want you to hear, because it flies in the face of everything you've ever known about losing fat. AMPK is an enzyme found in our cells. It's there. Just waiting to be turned on. And it plays a critical role in our energy metabolism, which is simply the rate at which your body burns fat and calories. Specifically, AMPK helps convert sugar and fat into energy, while decreasing hunger. So not only are you burning more fat, but your hunger goes down as well. That's key because if you've ever been on a calorie-restricted diet, you probably felt hungry all the time. Which is why crash diets are never sustainable. The secret is, you want to burn fat and decrease your hunger at the same time. Please click on link to get your bottles of Carbofix now.